wala pa ko yung gagawin ng araw na yun. Sana po pagbigyan po kami. Guest po kami lang meron kami 1 hour so. Kaya pagbigyan niyo po kami sana.
Alright.
Okay, by the way, we also have a very special guest, a national artist. Siya po ang nag-iisang artist ni Manny Pacquiao. Let's call him Mr. Jun Aquino.
Jun Aquino.
And of course, our showtimers here, ang nagdala sa kanila rito is ang Mandirigma. We would like to promote Mandirigma apparel from USA.
Mandirigma.
Here. And we have about 5 shirts to give away. Alright? Okay, let's start it. Who wants to have Mandirigma shirts? O sige, on stage please, we have 5.
Right, 5 giveaways, 5 giveaways.
Come up on stage. Come up on stage now.
Sino gusto mo magdirigma shirt?
Naku,
Tatayo sa
you have
stage.
to have a Mandirigma shirt.
Oh, souvenirs.
Look at the page of Manny Pacquiao. Siya po ang nakikita nyo katabi palagi ni Manny. Yung original, right? Original naman.
Original naman yun.
The one and only Adele. Ay, hindi po yung Adele na winner na ano. Kita Mandirigma. Okay, I need 5 contestants.
Alright, we need
Madali
5
lang,
contestants.
don't worry.
Magdirigma shirt, 5
Of course,
contestants.
we would like to thank Wishing Well for accommodating us here. Thank you very much. Wishing Well.
Alright, yung imabong contestant na mananalo ng Magdirigma shirt. Yan, Magdirigma shirt. Yan.
Si Kuya, come here.
Tara guys.
Si Kuya papili.
Kasama mga kapagpala natin.
Gusto ko pasundo.
Ito si Kuya Green. Yan.